Good morning, students. Today we are going to do Lifelines of National Economy, Lesson 7, pages 84-85. Our first topic is there. Classify the Indian roads into various categories. It is a 5 marks question and you have to explain any 5 points out of them given in your book. The first is there Golden Quadrilateral. Golden Quadrilateral, it is the super highway. These are the 6 lanes roads which are connecting New Delhi to Kolkata, New Delhi to Mumbai, Mumbai to Chennai, and Chennai to Kolkata. It is in the form of a rectangle, quadrilateral shape, four-sided direction road. So it is been termed as a golden quadrilateral. You know it. Delhi, Mumbai, Mumbai to Chennai, and Chennai to Kolkata, and Kolkata to Delhi. Then we have got the north-south corridor also, Srinagar to Kanyakumari, and then we have got Silchar east-west corridor, Silchar to Porbandar. These are the super highways which have been maintained by NHAI, National Highway Authority of India Limited. Next is their national highways. These roads link extreme parts of our country from the state capital to the national capital of India, that is New Delhi. These roads are being maintained by CPWD, Central Public Works Department. Important national highways of our country are there NH1, which is linking Delhi to Amritsar, NH1. Then we have got NH2, which is linking Delhi to Kolkata. And the most longest national highway of India is there, which is NH7, which is linking Varanasi to Kanyakumari. These national highways, they are maintained by CPWD, as I told you. Next is their state highways. These are the highways which are connecting state capital to the district headquarters of every state. They are being maintained by PWD, Public Works Department. Next is their district roads. These roads are connecting the district headquarters to the block level, block headquarters, and they are being maintained by the Zila Parishad, like the Ranchi road which is linking to Silli block, Kanke block. They are being termed as the state district roads, district headquarter to the block level, block roads. Other roads like these roads link the rural areas and villages with the towns. These roads received special impetus under the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana. This was the dream project of our ex-Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji to link all the 5,50,000 villages of our country to nearest city or towns, so that the rural goods will be available in the urban areas at cheaper rates. It will promote the economy, rural economy. Similarly, urban goods will also reach to the rural areas like pesticide, insecticide, fertilizer, machines, etc. And this will promote the rural economy. In this way, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana will support the both rural and urban economy. And at present, more than 4 lakh villages have been connected to the towns by this Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. Its logo is there on the roadside. In the rural areas, you will see a diagonal board is there on the top. Inside the board, S alphabet is been written there. Now distinguish between metalled and unmetalled road. Metal road, they are made up of cement, bitumen and concrete. Unmetalled road, they are made up of locally available material like earth or soil, you can say stone chips, brick chips, etc. Brick pieces, etc. They are metal road are motorable in all season. You can drive the vehicle in all the season in the metal road, Pakka road. Unmetal road, they are not motorable in all season. It is not motorable in rainy season. Except rainy season, you can drive the vehicles in the unmetal road. Examples of metal road: highways, national highways, etc. Examples of unmetal road: any village road, kacha road in the rural areas. Now next is there, what is road density? The total length of the road per 100 square kilometer of an area is known as density of roads. Total length, whatever length is there, 100 kilometer, 120 kilometer, that will be divided by the total 100 square kilometer area. So you will get the road density. Question 4. With reference to road density, answer the following questions. What is the national average of road density? That is 142.68 kilometer per 100 square kilometer. What is the highest road density and in which state it is located? So it is 517.77 kilometer in Kerala. Kerala has got the highest road density of our country. Lowest. Lowest is 12.14 kilometer in Jammu and Kashmir. Large number of roads are not existing due to the existence of the mountains, Himalayan mountains. But the dream projects of Vajpayee ji and our Prime Minister had led to the construction of new tunnels on the Himalayas, and new roads are coming up in Jammu and Kashmir, reducing the distance to reach the far off places there. Question number 5. Road transport in India faces number of problems. Yeah, what are the challenges faced by the road transport? Same question. You write the answer first point. It is a 5 marks question. Explain. Write the first point. Keeping in views the volume of traffic and passengers, the road network is inadequate. Very less road is there in comparison to the number of passengers as well as the vehicles. Because the number of vehicles have increased. 200 years ago in Ranchi had only 5 cars. Now if you compare it with Ranchi at present in 2020, more than 1 lakh cars are there in the whole Ranchi district there. Then about half of the roads are unmetalled, and this limits their usage during the rainy season. Means half of the roads are unmetalled roads, kacha road, they are non-motorable during the rainy season. The national highways are inadequate, insufficient. The number of national highways built during the British time, that is only existing. Very few national highways have been made after independence. It requires more national highways. The roadways are highly congested in the cities. Every day in the peak hours from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., every day in every city we face the traffic jams due to this congested, and people are encroaching the roads also. Footpath is being encroached by the local vendors, shopkeepers. That also reduces the width of the road and makes the traffic congested there. Most of the bridges and culverts are old and narrow. Those bridges which were been made 100 years ago during the British time, they are more than 100 years old, and that time number of vehicles were very less. That's why they used to make single lane bridge, narrow bridges, and the bridges which you see on the canals or streams or smaller rivers, that is called culverts. It is mainly seen in the cities there. So these are also 100 years, 150 years old, and it is very risky to drive the vehicles on that. So that is also a big challenge for our roadways. Okay, this much topic is there for today. Kindly do these things in your classwork copy, and some homework questions also you will get it there, and make your copy update, because again the copies will be checked for your mark assessment in classwork homework category. Okay, thank